All right, tell everybody who you are and what we're about to do.
My name is David Hall, and we're about to set up a Barronett blind.
A Barronett blind. Barronett blind. So, let me see. It was the Barronett blind is the name of it. That's what it looks like. No, that's actually not what it looks like. But, all right, hold those while I open this. Let's see.
Is this live?
No, but I'm just recording it.
Oh.
Try to slide it off well.
Okay, you can cut off some of the parts.
Yeah.
What you posted on YouTube.
Obviously, I wasn't prepared because I don't have a knife or scissors. No, it's fine. It's almost done. All right. What does it say for the? Let me see the instructions.
It says here, remove the ground blind from the backpack carrying bag.
Okay, that's the bag. We did that.
Lay the blind flat on the ground and be completely sure there's no material twisted or overlapping the ends of the poles.
Okay.
Yes, this is number 1.
Okay. So like lay it flat.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
And nothing overlaps.
Oh, okay. So we gotta open it
I guess so.
like this, right? Okay. I think. All right. Now, what's the next?
Grab the pole handle on the eyelet located in the center of the root.
Okay.
And pull upwards so the root portion pops open.
Jesus. Okay.
And here's the picture. So you did the right thing.
I think I got two though.
Huh?
We got the big one.
This is the construction toy.
I know, but we got the big thing. Okay. So what's the next?
No, please let your foot on the ground skirt to help hold the blind in place and popping open the wall. Ground skirt is not included in all models.
Ground stakes not included. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what's the next step?
Proceeding by walking around the entire blind and pulling on each of the wall, tie down the ropes to pop out each wall until all slides are popped out.
Okay, so come on this side. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so now we'll pull the wall. So you see that black thing?
Yeah.
So reach in there and grab that
Got it.
and pull. Yep, keep pulling until it pops. Get ready to pop. There we go.
That was popping up.
All right, and there's another one. So pull that one. Yeah, no, keep pulling.
Oh. I think you got the right time.
You think what?
If they also tying it like for like to help it from like not moving.
All right, here. help me pull this one.
Like over on the side. Oh.
Alright.
The last one. Which is over here.
No, don't worry about that. Go to the end. There should be one more you gotta pull, right?
Yep. Got it?
Yep, go ahead. Need help? Hold on. There you go. Pull it, pull it. There we go.
This is huge. Oh my. Right. Maybe the next constructions.
Yeah.
Your blind should be standing up completely. You may now proceed by anchoring the blind to the ground using the ground stakes and tie down ropes for a...
Yeah, so we don't have no stakes in there, do we?
I'll check.
No, I don't see none. So that's the only thing that we need to do is grab stakes, and we'll have mommy get some from Walmart. But basically, here, let's turn to the side.
Everything else is good. Windows and everything.
Yeah. So this was the Barronett blind. It was the big one. It's like an 8-person blind, and I think it's going to be great to get the kids out and involved, not having them so. So cramped up. I mean, it's literally 2 full blinds together. So we'll kind of give you a tour again. This is our first time. That's the name brand, Barronett Blinds. Talking about the pattern. It's got a bunch of zippered windows. And all of these right here basically are what I pulled on to pop and expand it all the way around. There's some up top.
Whoa.
Don't go opening all the windows yet, bud. Hold on. But man, look at this thing. You got one open over there?
No, I just closed it.
Here, open it. Let me see.
Hello.
It's nice mesh windows. There you go.
Oh, hi.
All right, I'm gonna come inside and see. Again, we need to stake it down and get it all secure. But I mean, look how much space is in here. And I'll do a post video. All right, buddy, come out. I'll do a post video once I get it all secured in place. Yeah, zip that back up. All right, that's fine, buddy. You can leave it just like that. Oh. All right, and just tell them that we'll do a follow-up video once we get it all staked in place. And thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
You gotta look at them.
Huh?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.